Hello and welcome to another Maileroo video tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect your Maileroo DNS records to your Porkbun account. So starting with this, what we want to do is we want to go to domains and add in our domain. So we're going to add in our domain here and you'll see all of our DNS records added in. Going into your Porkbun, go to your DNS records, and now what we want to do is we're going to go to TXT, we're going to copy our SPF starting with this record, and in the host just make sure to leave it blank for this one, and we're going to add that one in. Now we're going to go DKIM, we're going to add another TXT record for this one, just copy the host name, and we're just going to remove this portion of it and add. So now we've added that. Next we want to do our MX records. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in our value here, set the priority to 10, and do the same with this one. Make sure you've got a MX record type in the top there as well, and we're going to add this one too and set the priority to 20. Now we're going to do the same with our DMARC. This is a TXT record that we're looking for. We're going to put the value for that, and we're going to get the host name, copy it in here and remove that portion of it, and just click add. And then for our custom tracking domain, we're going to look for a CNAME record. We're going to add that in and remove that, and we're going to copy the value across and put it in here. And then we're going to click add. Now once we've done this, we can go back to our Maileroo account, and you can see there we've added in all those. So once we've added them in, we go back to our Maileroo account and we can actually verify the records to check if they've successfully been verified. So please note this stuff could take a little while before it fully verifies from provider to provider, as well as your setup. So hopefully we should see green or verified on the left. There you go. So now we have a verified domain in our Maileroo account.